Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2008 Hyundai Imax, stock reference number 5480. The shape runs from the 11th month 2007 through to the 5th month 2018. It has a G4KG 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. G4KG 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, front bumper cover, left-hand fog light, left-hand headlight. Bonnet has light hail damage. Left power door mirror. Left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left front door has 5 small dents. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left tail light. Tidy rear bumper cover. Park sensor tight. Tailgate has 6 small dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right sliding door has 5 small dents, right front door has 5 small dents, right front guard has 3 small dents, right power door mirror and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with grey cloth interior, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster.